I greet you all. Oh. Let us take a look at this trending video of Ifeanyi Odii's house in Lagos State, Nigeria. Okay, in case you are not familiar with that name, like who is not even familiar with the name Ifeanyi Odii? It's such a big name, but just in case you are not familiar with the name, Ifeanyi Odii was born April 17th, 1975, and is a Nigerian businessman, a philanthropist, and a politician. He's the founder and chairman of Orient Global Group and is also a former gubernatorial candidate for PDP in Ebonyi State. That's just a brief story of who he is. Okay, so this is Ifeanyi Odii's house in Lagos State. Our very own Ifeanyi Odii, the former governorship candidate for PDP in Ebonyi State. So according to a popular influencer, honestly, he would always say, "I will never be poor. I can never be poor." This video of Ifeanyi Odii's house is really trending as we speak, showing the number and fleet of cars. These are no ordinary cars, luxurious cars worth billions of naira. Are you seeing the number of Rolls Royce in just one compound? Just one compound, you're seeing these old cars in one compound. Indeed, money pass money. Okay, in this video, Cubana Chiefpriest vows never to stop hustling following a visit to Ifeanyi's mansion in Lagos. Just take a look at this video first and see what he said.
The glass self na roboto cavalli. Ifeanyi, leave me oh. Leave me oh. Let me just take you guys around and see what we got here. See what we got. See what we got here. And you think Chiefpriest is gonna stop? This is where I get my inspiration. To these fucking Rolls Royces. This one's not piled up vehicles. You understand? And there's a long wheel berth. My brother, money day, now you know that. But style differs, It'll be stylish. Akintola.
I have always been a big fan of this man, Ifeanyi Odii. I've always been a fan of him, right from the last governorship election in Ebonyi State. I mean, his humility is everything for me. Or do we even want to talk about his respect? He does not flaunt or shows his wealth in any way. If you carefully go through his social media pages, you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see that you hardly find a video or picture of him flaunting his wealth like some people would always do. That's how humble this man is. Even when he contested for the governorship election and did not win, he still came out publicly, and made an appreciation video thanking all the people involved that made it possible for him to even contest in the first place. Take a look at this particular video.
The governorship candidates Ebonyi State. I just want to use the opportunity to thank all my friends all over the world, especially the Bident family, the Anified family, those that have been supporting us based on the competence, the credibility, and capacity they found in us. We will not disappoint them. Please continue to support us by calling on your loved ones, your friends, to come out in mass to vote for PDP for the election coming on the 18th of March 2023. We want to recover Ebonyi State. We want to recover Ebonyi for the Ebonians. Thank you and God bless you.
And I've also noticed that in recent times, the way Ifeanyi Odii has been taking his overall health and physique seriously, it's really, really sweet. Like, the thing is sweet to me, and I admire him for that. Looking good and keeping fit is absolutely good business, honestly. And to even think that people are still rooting for him to recontest for the 2027 governorship election in Ebonyi State. Okay, take a look at this particular comment. This particular comment says, "My respected elder brother, if you want to contest again for the Ebonyi State governorship, kindly start now and invest in the media. Let people see what you have been doing for your community as a private sector. Take this personally. Again, you have to start acting as a strong opposition in the state." This person is really serious though. This person is saying he should take out time and the expected resources to start now and invest in his visibility, his media, so that people will know that he's able to do so much more and what he has done so far. This is really a good one anyway, if you ask me. What do you all think? And yes, talking about investment and media, are you a business or brand owner? Or you're someone who wants the best media coverage ever? The best brand visibility, the best media adverts for your brand or your business? We at Ebony People TV is your go-to spot. Yes, we do all of these and many more. Kindly reach out to the WhatsApp number and let us talk business. Let us give you the best media coverage and video adverts you have ever seen in a long while, okay? Now back to the man with the doings. Do you think he's the best candidate for the 2027 governorship election in Ebony State? Let me know in the comments. Plus, how well do you even know Ifeanyi Odii to see him worthy to be the next governor of Ebony State? Because this person says, abeg, make 2027 Ebony gubernatorial election be physical combat between all the aspirants. I too believe you, my governor. Hey, this is really serious. So this person has even started calling him governor. This is really serious. Anyway, as I would always say, we'll keep keeping our fingers crossed because we don't even know his plans yet, if he is truly coming out to contest or not. Anyway, it's still your favorite ghost host, Faith Carlo, reporting from Ebony People TV.
Incoming governor, signed and sealed.
Ebony State.
Signed and sealed. Bro, how are you? How are you, bro? How are you? The height of the incoming.